Are you a professional looking for favorable and life-changing job opportunities? Do you dream of a flexible career that allows you to work on your terms, gives you the freedom to follow your passion yet earn you a steady income to live a money-worry-free life? If yes is your answer, you just found it. In today's digital age, there's a whole new world of opportunities waiting for you, regardless of who you are or where you are. Thanks to digital assets and the internet, digital assets are in demand globally, and by owning some such as domain names and websites, you can unlock the potential for a lucrative monthly income by renting it out or selling it for a huge price to buyers who want it. Now, how does this apply directly to your profession, dream, or help you, right? Firstly, it's like owning a piece of virtual real estate that can generate endless possibilities for your professional growth. Do you know some profession-based domains have been sold for a staggering amount of money? Take for example insurance.com, owned by an insurance broker, which sold for a whopping $35.6 million. And that's just one example among many. Imagine owning a perfect domain or niche website that reflects your profession, that attracts individuals or future businesses and companies to bid for it thousands of dollars or lease for a monthly fee. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can learn to manage a profession niche website yourself to build a brand name and authority in your field. This opens up a world of opportunities, including passive income, high-paying contracts offers, and flexible work arrangements. Imagine receiving various employment contracts with high pay and work flexibility on your term. No more commuting to an office or dealing with a rigid schedule. It's time you tap into this gold mine of possibilities in your professional niche and position yourself to earn by leveraging this opportunity. By owning digital assets that help you earn extra income, you can finally focus on what you do best, your professional aspirations. But we get it, managing and monetizing digital assets can be a daunting task. That's why we offer a done-for-you service. We will take care of everything from finding the perfect domains and building you a niche website in your profession that you can dominate, to guiding and managing the entire process for you. All you need to do is sit back, focus on what you do best, and let your digital assets work for you. So why wait any longer? Join successful professionals who have seized the opportunity to use digital assets to unlock their hidden potential, to access a world of unlimited possibilities, both for extra income or building authority in their professional niche. Click the link below to get started today.